Hi guys, I'm Liam from Wargaming Stuff, and welcome back into another video. In the last video we did the unboxing of that massive Greenstuffworld pack. They sent us that big box and we found a lot of material, and today we're going to try these colors of this massive painting set. There are 48 colors. We're gonna do the unboxing and then we're gonna try them on these miniatures. Alright, let's begin. There is also the color chart. There are many types of colors, washes, metal colors, and also some special effects such as blood and snow. Well, now it's time to try them on the miniatures. As you can see, this is a metal color and it spreads perfectly. Now let's highlight the miniature with this anthrax metal. Now it's time for the purple. We're going to highlight with a magenta and then a violet. Let's finish with a purple wash and then a brownie wash to do a dirty effect. This bestial brown is perfect to paint a real beast. And this will be just the base. On the top we're going to highlight with a red and orange hue. Let's do this wash to give a flesh effect. Let's use this khaki color to paint a doctor's tunic. Make it a bit dirty and it's done. Now let's use this parchment color to highlight the robe, and then we're going to paint also his accessories. These miniatures were painted entirely with Greenstuffworld paints, which are fantastic for this type of work. Each color performs its function perfectly, whether it's a metallic effect, a base, a shade, or a wash. Thank you so much Greenstuffworld for sending us this package, and thanks to all of you for watching the video. If you like modeling, like Stefano and I do, buy some Greenstuffworld materials too. Remember to like and share and activate the bell if you want to stay updated on future videos. And see you soon. Bye!